Hello again, everyone. Have a great day.
Welcome to my channel. This is Atiji's Art and Daily Vlog.
So today we will make another DIY beaded bracelet. So as you can see, I have this butterfly shape and flower shape and another one big round shape bead. So here, so simple. Just use the elastic string and put our beads. I put the beads apart. So I put the flower first and the small round green color and the butterfly. So and now I put another green in the flower shape red color. Another green. Oh guys, I made a lot of this beaded bracelet. It's so fun to make something when I got nothing to do. So here I already put two butterfly, another flower, and green small round shape beads. All right, it's so fast. Just take more than 5 minutes or 6 minutes to make one piece of bracelet. So here I almost done. Now I will put the big round shape, brown color, brown black color. So I might use another flower the other side and the green and another butterfly. I almost done it. Okay, one more or two more butterfly to go on. We almost done. We almost done. And last piece of beads. Oh my god, my nails is so bad. It's all. Okay, last piece. And now let's tie. Let's tie. So here, wow, it's look pretty, right? Flower and butterfly. So here, I tied it tight and three times to be sure will not come off. See, one, two, another one. And now is done, just need to cut off the excess elastic nylon, and here it is. I'm done. Looks so cute. Butterflies and flower and green. So I'll try to put it in my hands. And there. Oh, looks so nice.
Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you have notification in all the videos that I am going to upload. Enjoy watching and have a blessed day ahead, everyone.